I'm going to take a look around in my food forest today to see if there was any freeze damage from the freeze we had about a week ago. I'm in Florida, zone 9B. I'm about 2 or 3 miles away from zone 10A. I'm not sure if it actually did freeze. I think it was 33, 32 degrees, right around there, so possibly did freeze. Let's go around and take a look. Looks like this noni took some damage, lost some leaves. The noni is more tropical than most of the plants that I have. Just wondering if those fruits are going to be okay. I don't know. And right next door, this colocasia may have got some damage. I'm going to have to do a little pruning on that. And over here, looks like the ruby hibiscus took some damage. This is the time of year that it dies off anyway. I'm not sure if that was damage from freezing. Cold temperatures may have just sped up the seasonal die-off. Looks like this purple sweet potato vine died off quite a bit. I'm seeing a lot of die-off on that. Over here, this cassia may have got a little burn. Here's more of the ruby hibiscus dying back. More of that sweet potato vine. Not looking all beautiful anymore. Yeah, there's some bare patches in there. The vine died back. And actually, it looks like maybe, I think this is a mountain soursop. Maybe got a little bit of burn. Some leaves over there. And this Asian winged bean that was growing up it, it's pretty dead now. I think I'll eat this one. That sugar apple got burnt a little bit. Could also, once again, just be typical die-off this time of year. Mango looks okay. Strawberry tree, it's got some brown and yellow flowers. Got hit. Oh my goodness, not this again. I guess the Florida King Peach likes the chill hours. It has another flower. Once again, unbelievable. Some more sweet potato die-off. Let's see, what do I have back here? Pigeon pea looks good. I know there's something interesting in here. Oh, there we go. Cherry of the Rio Grande looks okay. It's actually growing a little bit. African potato mint died back. It's the time of year for that, but I think the cold weather sped it up a little bit. Banana looks all right. That banana may have got some burn on the leaves, just a little bit, not too much. This Asian winged bean feels kind of rubbery. That's probably from the cold weather. By the way, it's 80 degrees today. I'm actually sweating a little bit. I'm surprised that the sherbet berry still has leaves. Not only that, berries. Pretty sure last year this time, even without the cold weather, that it lost all of its leaves. Let's see what's over here. Maybe a little bit of damage on this banana. There's more ruby hibiscus dying back. I'll have to harvest these seeds soon. Geez, even the moringa's okay. Maybe we didn't freeze here. And then the leaves look mostly okay, just a little damage here and there. Oh wow. I'm gonna have to do something about all those loquat suckers. Ice cream bean. Some damaged leaves. That could be, once again, just the time of year. Let's go take a look at the soursop. That poor thing. Got some damage on the soursop. That drops its leaves this time of year anyway, in the next month or so. Got some pigeon pea drying up. That's not damaged, by the way. These bananas look alright. Maybe just a little damage on the tips, on the edges. The strawberry tree looks okay. Let's check the raw sapote. Looks like some leaf damage there, a little bit. And the red apricot, how's that doing? This froze to the ground last year. Leaves got burnt a little bit. Overall, not too bad. I'm happy with that. I think the only real damaged plants were the vines. The sweet potato, one particular variety with the purple leaves, and the velvet beans and the Asian wing beans. For the most part, that was it. It's looking good. I'm happy with this. Jeez, it's hot. Hot and humid today. Just take another stroll around, see if we can see anything. We're fairly undamaged so far this year. I think I'm gonna eat that berry. One of these days, I'll get one that tastes good. That one wasn't bad. Still a little bitter towards the back of the tongue. That one had a little more sweetness. Torpedo grass is doing good. Here's some cassava. This cassava plant fell over. Cucumber plant that was growing wild back here. Looks like it's all damaged. Round Chinese variety. Fire ant looks okay. I'm gonna have to make a video of all the fire ant hills. Here we go. Velvet bean leaves are looking a little burnt. Oh, almost forgot about this guy. This little tree has some burns on it. Can't even remember what this is. Oh, it's a golden sugar apple. Not bad, not bad. I'm happy with this. But we still have 2 months to go.